My overall feeling when I first met them was like coming home, because my daughter had a place to come to where she could just completely be her natural self and start to find her people.
Simply Social Kids today, to me, feels like a Greek odyssey of my past that was very formative.
Mariel has changed and grown rapidly with this program. She became much more confident. She became a lot more outgoing. She became a bit of a social butterfly, which took me by surprise.
Hi.
Hey, kid. Oh, you really are going to pull up a knee.
Tap the link to learn more or schedule a free trial.